What's up friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to download your images or videos using Grok Imagine. So once you're inside Grok AI, go ahead and click Imagine on the left hand side, and you want to go ahead and find your favorites. Whatever you have generated before, you can click on the lower left and you will find those, right? And so you can easily find them. And if you find something that you want to download, which is for example this, I can click on that, look towards the lower left hand side of that, and I can download it, right? So you can click on download and you can see immediately it downloads on my PC. And also you have various versions of as well that you can click to watch, and you can also download them as well. How cool is that, guys? So all you have to do is click on Imagine, and you can either switch this to images or videos or whatever it is that you have your generations, and you're able to basically find them and you can download them, right? Very cool and very easy and very simple. And of course, if you generate something, you have the option as well to quickly download it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to quickly do a generation here for image. So I'm going to just say monkey dancing on a bike. I'm gonna just say that. For example, go ahead and use AI to generate that. It's gonna generate a quick image for me, and you can see, for example, that if I want to download it, I can click on that and I can just see the download button on the lower left as well, and I can download it from here. And that's it. So that's how you can easily download it as well, guys. So if you're looking for ways how you can easily download your images, videos, etc., you can easily go ahead, save them, download them, whatever it is that you want to do with the power of AI in Grok. And that's how you can download your videos, your images, or whatever generations you have in Grok AI.